Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amirazi Fashion YouTube channel. So today we are making this beautiful off-shoulder top. It's going to have a sweetheart as the neckline, and we are using this beautiful organza material to complete our sleeve. It's a puff sleeve, a long one. Please guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload beautiful videos like this. You can share my video with your friends, give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. Please also check our other videos. We have made something like this. You can also check it so that you can also learn how to cut the other styles that we have made on my channel. Guys, we are here for you guys. Always stick to our channel because we have beautiful more trendy styles to upload on this channel. Please watch this tutorial to the end.
So this is our fabric that we are using to make our up shoulder top with long sleeve with organza, and it will be buff. So this is the rolling line that will start with our measurement. So we'll start with the measurement. My measurement that I'm using here is 22. I'm taking away from my tape rule 5. So it's 5 that I'm taking from the tape rule. So mark and get our line so that we'll start with our measurement proper. So this is the rolling side of the downside. So after that, now we'll mark and we'll mark our neckline. So my neckline that I'm marking is 3.5, and it's a sweetheart neck. So this is the way I'm bringing out the cleavage, 1 inch from it. So we just curve it to get our sweet line neck. So after that now is the armhole. So I'm marking my armhole with 1.5 to get the armhole side, and that is the line side that will mark our body measurement, that is the bust. So my bust is 38. 38 is what I'm marking there now. So after that now I'll take away from my tape also to get my waistline, that is the half length. My half length that I'm marking is 16. So under my half length is where we'll get the waist measurement. My waist measurement is 28, adding 1 inch on it for the dart, and after that you now add your sewing allowance. So my sewing allowance there is 1.5. Coming to the bust, I'm adding my sewing allowance again, that is 1.5 that I'm marking throughout. So to the downside is my hip. My hip is 40, so I'm marking my hip 40 and add my sewing allowance also 1.5. So after that, it's just for us now to connect from the bust to the waist. So this is my armhole side that I'm marking out now to curve it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please watch my video to the end, share it to your friends, give it a thumbs up, and I've done something like this before also on my previous video, so may you watch it so that you can learn from it. So I want to mark 1.5 on that there so that it will curve. I don't want it to be straight on the bottom, so it's 1.5 that I'm marking there to curve it out. So we've done with that. So just for us now to cut it out. So can you see how beautiful is the material and how the style will come out? The style will be very beautiful. So now is the neck that I'm cutting, and that is the armhole side that I'm also cutting out for you to see. After that, we'll now use it to cut the back. So it's the front that we are making now, that is we are cutting out first. So this is the side of it, just to cut it out now. So we're done with the cutting, and that is the damp side also that I'm cutting out now. So I will use the front to lay out the back side and to cut it out also. So that is what I'm doing there now. So we've done with the front, we've cut it out. So it's organza that we are using to complete our sleeve. Don't forget that, and to have a puff using our elastic to gather it out, and you also see it by time I finish it. So this is the back and this is the front, using the front to lay it and to get our zipper allowance. My zipper allowance that I added here is 1 inch, adding 1 inch, and that is what I'm marking for you to see. So that is the zipper allowance. And also the neck is round neck, so I will mark 1 3.5 on it also, because that is what I marked at the front side. So now is the back I want to cut. Is a round sleeve, neck, and it's 1 inch that I marked to get the cleavage at the back of the neck. So this is the armhole that I'm also cutting out now. So that is the downside that I want to also cut out. Can you see how it is and what I'm doing there now? So please watch the video to the end, give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends so that they too can learn for this video and be able to cut their own. And I want you to sew it on your own so that you can wear it out. So that is the zipper allowance side that I'm opening now. I'm opening it for you to see how it is. So I'm also opening the front side for you to see how it is. So this is the neckline of this top, and it is a sweetheart neck that we are making on this top. So now is the sleeve. So this is the sleeve. I folded it and I want to cut it all together. That is the two sides of the sleeve. So this is what I'm doing there. So I want to mark. So from the shoulder side, since it's a puff sleeve that we use elastic to gather it out, I will mark 7 for it to gather that one to gather out. So this is the armhole side that I'm marking also. Is 1 inch that I marked there to curve it out. So this is the length also. The length is 17.5. So under there we will also have our folding. The round sleeve is 11 that I'm marking because of the gathers that I want to use elastic to gather it out. So this is the armhole side that I marked. It's 1 inch that I marked at it there. So can you see how it is to cut your up shoulder sleeve? So this is how you cut your up shoulder sleeve. So from there you connect. I've connected it now, and I want to also cut it out now. So this is the organza. So I'm cutting the downside first for you to see, and after that we'll just take it to the machine, use our elastic to gather it out, and before you know, our top will be ready to wear. So this is it now. So let me take to the machine and stitch it and gather it out with my elastic. So I will also show you the elastic that I want to use to gather it out for it to be ready and to be ready now. So this is it. So this is the elastic. So just to stitch it down, stitch it up, and it will be ready. So this is it now.
Yes, guys, we have stitched our long puff sleeve on the body of our top. Is an off shoulder top that have a sweetheart neckline. So very beautiful. You can see the material, the fabric that we used, very beautiful. Guys, don't forget to watch this tutorial to the end, and also click your subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. Please don't forget to do that. Always subscribe to my channel, and you can share my video with your friends so that your friends can also learn how to cut it on their own. Give my video a thumbs up, comment, and we have other videos on my channel. You can also watch it so that you can also learn how to make those styles that we have made already on your own. Please stick to my channel. We have a lot on this channel that is coming. Please, thank you for watching.